Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the Google Assistant in your device Galaxy Z Flip 3. So if in this device you want to enable the Google Assistant, or if you want to learn about the Google Voice Assistant, you can do this by the method as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now you have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can enable and use the Google Assistant in your device Z Flip 3. Let's watch it.